It all started with a sugar cookie. The sugar cookie launched my website, my cookbook, and now Jenny Cookie's Bake Shop, a destination bakery in Lake Stevens, Washington. Inspiration comes from all sorts of things. It could be the season, it's different textures, it's nature. A lot of creativity goes into coming up with these new ideas constantly. When I very first started baking, my mom started calling them Jenny cookies. She started saying, like, I really want some of those Jenny cookies. And so it just stuck. So my sugar cookie recipe is no fail. My must-haves are a great flour and also the butter. It's huge to make sure you have that room temp butter. It really comes down to having great ingredients. So whether I'm in the kitchen with my kids or I'm teaching a class in the bake shop, in 12 years of baking these cookies, I've never met somebody that doesn't like my sugar cookie recipe.
Put pink and orange.
Yeah? They're kind of happy colors. There's just so many different ways to show your love through baking these sugar cookies.
Happy day. Oh, happy day.
When you make cookies for someone, it's a lot of work. It's, time in the kitchen. It's a lot of decorating and cleaning, and there's just a lot of love. So when you hand those to somebody, they're going to feel that heart in it.